Did you know that a mirror can create a massive explosion if you reflect a laser beam directly into its surface, unleashing energy equivalent to 1 billion nuclear bombs? A mirror is not just a simple reflective surface, but a complex system that relies on the principles of physics and chemistry to function. It's made of materials like glass or metal, which are coated with thin layers of metal oxides to create a reflective surface. When light hits the mirror, it bounces back in a process known as reflection. But what happens if we shine a laser beam directly into the mirror's surface? But that's not the strangest part, as the mirror can actually create a massive explosion if it's not designed to handle the intense energy of the laser beam. This phenomenon occurs when the laser beam is focused onto a tiny spot on the mirror's surface, creating a huge amount of heat and energy. Imagine a grain of sand containing an entire library of information, and that's roughly the amount of energy that's released when a laser beam is reflected back onto the mirror's surface. The explosion is so powerful that it can shatter the mirror and potentially cause damage to the surrounding area. But why does this happen, and what can we learn from it? The answer lies in the science of optics and the behavior of light when it interacts with matter. When light hits a surface, it can either be absorbed, transmitted, or reflected, and in the case of a mirror, the light is reflected back. However, if the light is focused onto a tiny spot, it can create a huge amount of heat and energy, leading to the explosion. Scientists discovered that the mirror's surface is not a perfect reflector, and it can actually absorb some of the light's energy. This absorbed energy is then converted into heat, which can cause the mirror to shatter and create an explosion. It's like trying to contain a fire that's burning out of control, and the mirror's surface is the fuel that's being ignited. The explosion is not just a simple chemical reaction, but a complex process that involves the interaction of light, matter, and energy. But wait until you hear what comes next, as the mirror's explosion is not the only interesting phenomenon that occurs when light interacts with matter. This explosion is not just a curiosity, but a reminder of the incredible power of light and the importance of understanding its behavior. The study of optics and the behavior of light has led to numerous discoveries and innovations, from cameras to telescopes. It's a field of study that's full of mysteries and surprises, and the mirror's explosion is just one of the many fascinating phenomena that await us. So the next time you look in the mirror, remember the incredible power of light and the science that's behind it. Want to learn more about the amazing world of optics and light? Subscribe for more incredible stories like this and join our journey of discovery. If you found this fascinating, subscribe for more mind-blowing facts about the science of light and matter. And let me know in the comments what fascinates you most about the behavior of light and its interaction with matter. Thanks for watching, and don't forget to like and comment below to let me know what you think.